Well, hello there. Today, I'm at my island, having visitors of my friends. This is Cliff, and Jason is somewhere. Mhm. So, wonder if Celeste here. Didn't think about that. I don't think Celeste don't appear on weekends. Let's see who is coming. It's Fungah from Jaime. How? I don't know. Ooh, I like his pirate suit. Hi, Fungah. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hey, he used my warp pipe. Yeah. Let's see if Celeste is up there. I bet some of you might be dreaming about my island. And as you can see, I have put a pipe, 2 pipes, one per Celeste area. You better slow down because I have a balloon. There he is. Oh, I don't have him. Yeah, I heard someone that saying that Celeste don't appear on weekends. Thank you for me come. No problem, Jason. Bye and good night. Yeah, you've seen my upcoming book, The Brave Person of Balls. These are all the main characters here. This is Riley, Brock, me, Jaime, Mayor David, Candace, and Jilly. Feel free to take screenshots if you dream about my island. Where everyone went. Wonder if Fungah's playing hide and seek. Wait. Oh, that's just Axel up there. There you are, Cliff. looking for Celeste. I don't see her. Same. Probably not here. It's Saturday. So yeah, she don't appear on the weekends. Oop, my battery's low. I wonder where is Fungah? Someone's on their way here. Lilbluebly. Nice dress she got there. Hi, little blue. Hi. Hello. Excuse me, Axel. I wonder if he's hiding behind nooks. Nope. Maybe behind Abel's. Not there either. How about the resident service? Nope. There's Cliff again. Oh, there's little blue. Oh well. Wait. I think I've seen someone. Never mind. Off the bed now. Good night, Cliff. Well, it's alright if I don't find Fungah. Jan. Sweet dreams. Yeah. I had a good time though. Having friends over makes me happy. So anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell to stay notified.